In this guide, I'll show you how to install fabric mods for Minecraft 1.21.5. Just go open your browser, type fabric, and search. Now open this first website, and download this fabric mod loader for Minecraft. You can download it for Windows for easy installation, or download this universal jar file that will require Java for installation. So I'll just select this Windows option. After downloading, open its location. Here is our fabric installer. Just run it. In this installer window, select the game version and loader version from these drop-down menus. Now click on the install button and it will start the process. Click OK to complete, close this window, and just go and run your Minecraft launcher. In Minecraft Launcher, select the Installations tab from above, then come over to the Fabric Loader and click on this folder icon to open its installation folder. Then go and open this mods folder. Now we simply need to download the fabric modes to paste them right here. Again, open your browser and search for fabric mods. You can download the fabric mods from different websites. I'll choose this Modrinth one. Now, locate and choose the mod you want to download. I'll just download this Iris Shaders. Click on this green download button. Select your game version and choose fabric. Then simply click on this download. After downloading, move this download mod to the folder we opened before. Now in Minecraft Launcher, go to the Play tab, select Fabric Loader from this drop-down menu, and then simply click on Play to start the game, and the game will start with the mod. You can add multiple mods this way, and that's it.